Hello all. So in this video I'm going to show you how to factorize the algebraic expressions. Okay, I will be telling you that the algebraic expressions, how we can factorize it, means how we can write them in terms of their factors. Okay, so there are different ways to factorize the algebraic expression. In my earlier videos also I have explained this. Okay, by taking out their factors or by splitting the middle term we can factorize the algebraic expressions. So let's see. Okay, so I have taken here two questions. I will be explaining them one by one. Okay, so let's see. The first question here is x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. We have to factorize it. And children, you can see that there are four terms. Okay, so what we can do? We can pair them. Okay, like we can take two terms each. Okay, so first in this term it is given x square plus xy. Okay, and in the second pair we have the terms 8x and 8x plus 8y. Okay, so you can see then that here it is x square and in the second term it is xy. So at least we can take one x as common. Why? Because here only we have got one x, so we cannot take more than one x as common. So we will take one x as the common factor. So now in the bracket y cannot be taken as common. Why? Because in the first term we don't have y, so we cannot take y as common. Common means which is present in both the terms. Okay, now so out of this 2x we have taken already 1x, so we are left with 1x plus this x has been taken as common, so we are left with y. Okay, now let's see what is it there in the second pair. We have 8x plus 8y. Okay, so we can see that only 8 is common in both the terms. Okay, 8 multiplied x plus 8 multiplied y. So 8 can be taken as common. So in the second pair, the first term in the second pair, we are left with x plus, here 8 is common, so we are left with y. Okay, always remember whatever common terms we have obtained here in the first pair, the same common terms or the same left out terms should be there in the second pair also. Okay, so now out of this x plus y, we can take one x plus y as common, and then what is left with? X plus 8. So x plus 8. So this is the way we have to factorize it. Okay, now let's see what we have in the second question. The second question is, it is 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Again we have four terms. Okay, so we can make two pairs out of these four terms. So in the first pair, the first term is 15xy and the second term is minus 6y. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5 and the 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Okay, now let's see what we can take as common. So children, here 3 is present here in 15xy also, and here also 6x. We can take 3 as common. What else we can take as common? Here it is x is there, and here in 6x we have x, so we can take x also as common. Okay, now what we are left with? And this 3 is taken as common, this x is has been taken as common, so we are left with this 5. Okay, 5y. Okay, minus this x is taken as common, and out of this 6 we have got 3 as common, so we are left 2. Okay, now in the second pair we have the first term as 5y and the second as minus 2. Okay, now nothing is common. You can see no variables nor constants are common, so only 1 can be taken as, because 5y into 1, 2 into 1, so 1 can be taken as common, and we are left with 5y minus 2. You can see that in the left out terms in both the pairs is same. It should be like this only. If you are getting some different, it means you have done somewhere wrong. Okay, Now, so 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2, out of this 2 we can take as common 5y minus 2. Okay, and then we are left with 3x plus 1. Okay, so this is the way to factorize. I hope this method you understood. Okay, so you will be able to factorize well, and hope you have liked the explanation. So kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button.